If this world were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me. If this world were mine, I'd give you a flower, the birds and the bees, and you'll be gonna love beside me. That would be all I need if this world were mine. I'd give you anything.